Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important job opportunity. First important opportunity from the City Carriers or Citibank. They are hiring for the role of business analytics analyst, and this is City good company, and almost they have more than 2,30,000 plus employee. So they are hiring for the role of business analyst, and this will be your responsibility. You will assist with solution and implementation, perform relatively complex and varied assignment, and basic knowledge of organization and its policy required. So what is the qualification? You should have previous relevant experience and demonstrate ability to solve customer serving skill. Means if you have some experience or some knowledge in customer services and all things, then you are good to go and you can apply for this. So bachelor's or university degree or equivalent experience are eligible. Means if you have bachelor degree and if you are freshers in any branches, either from BE, BTech, BCA, MCA and BA, all that branches are eligible, but you should have some knowledge of the customer handling and all those things. So if you are interested, you can apply, and this is on the wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply. Coming to next important opportunity from the company Shasken, they are hiring for the role of engineer software test and release, and job location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So this is the important thing, that additional of engineer to existing team as per customer requirement, and you should have the basic understanding of SDLC, that is the software development life cycle, and I've already provided you the notes of these things. So if you have knowledge of these or SDLC and software testing and fundamentals, then this is a good opportunity. You should apply. Friends, for applying any opportunity, you should basically refine your resume. Don't apply with same resume. And other things, API knowledge and Agile Scrum methods you should have. And nice to have basic programming or scripting knowledge, that is in Java or JavaScript. And awareness, just basic knowledge of CI/CD pipeline. And if you have so many certification, then this is a plus point. So all engineering graduates are eligible. So either you are from 2024, 2025, 2026, you can apply. Either you are from MCA, or if you have some experience, then you can apply. And this is a wonderful opportunity. Coming to next important opportunity from the Amber, they are hiring for the role of SDE and job location is Pune, Maharashtra. So this is means for this opportunity you can directly apply from the of LinkedIn. Okay, so I will provide all the job link in the description. So this is a internship type position. So 2026 can also apply, another also apply. So you will work on domain of technology. So if you're interested, you can apply. These are the requirements. So you should have recent graduate in CSC or related field and experience in React or React, and some working knowledge of SQL and all those things you should have. So you can apply. Friends, if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can fill our form. And currently there are mass selection is happening from our channel. So if you're interested, you can schedule. We'll provide you dedicated feedback and guidance for you, and that will basically boost your confidence in real interview. So if you want, then you can fill. Coming to next important opportunity from the Wells Fargo, they are hiring for the role of business execution associate analyst, and job location is Hyderabad. This is a full-time role. So these are the things. Means I will provide all the job link in the description. You can first go through the job link before applying, okay, and refine your resume. So this is a wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply. Coming to the last important opportunity, and that is from the AIMS. They are hiring for the role of software engineer intern DevOps. So freshers can apply, and job location will be Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, and all those things. Okay. So if you are interested for this, you can apply. This will be internship and research services. You will means work on the domains, and so this is a wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply. Friends, I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. So you can subscribe us for getting such. Currently a mass hiring going on for TCS NQT. So if you haven't started preparation, it start. We are already launched the coding series, and also lots of free preparation material I'm providing in WhatsApp Telegram group. So if you want, you can join that. If you have any query, feel free to ask here. I am here to help you, and give a like to our video. Thank you.